Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers. In today's video we are going to talk about design principle and their application in interior design, and this is the course of interior design, complete interior design course. So if you are new to the channel, please go and watch entire thing from the playlist, and please subscribe to the channel if you are interested in learning interior design, graphic design, UX UI design, any sort of design related thing, or Bachelor of Architecture, Bachelor of Design, Bachelors of Planning, or Masters of Architecture, Masters of Planning, Masters in Design. So anything related to all design sort of video, like accessory design, interior design, product design, UX UI design, interaction design, please hit the subscribe button for that. Even business design, enterprise design, I make videos on that to help you with your startups and everything. So if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Let's begin today's video. So there are these basic design principles which are used in every visual design. So interior design being one of the visual design, we use these design principles. They are mainly unity and variety, balance and hierarchy, contrast, emphasis, scale and proportion, and repetition. So let's see what exactly these are and how they are applied in interior design. So unity and variety, see the image which is at the left side is showing unity in the color, and its variety in the shapes and sizes. And in the right side image is showing unity in the size, shape, and variety in the colors. So what we get to know from this? So in our interior design we follow certain color schemes in our design, right? So those color schemes are they will make unity among themselves, and all the artifacts we keep for the decoration in the design, they become variety in it, right? They are different sort of object which are having same colors in them. Or it might happen that that we are getting a nice couch and we are using various colors of pillows in it. So that can be another type of unity and variety example. So it is very simple as same color, different design, same color. These sort of color design correlated. Then with respect to size and shape also, it might change in the unity and variety. So whenever you applying these things, just keep in mind, okay? Then there is balance. So balance is nothing but balancing the visual aspect of it. So if I have the way I arrange my furniture or any artifacts in the interior decoration field, like way I arrange my dining chairs, okay, I arrange them one side two, other side two, if I have a four-seater dining table, right? Then this became a symmetrical balance. But what happens in the situations of Mumbai kind of homes, we will be having those bench on the one side where we can push in the bench and use only two chairs. So bench is balanced by two chairs, right? So that is a symmetrical balance. So it's not exactly how the composition works. There is symmetrical balance, there is asymmetrical balance, then there is something called as radial balance or a focal balance, which means you take certain focal point or center point and you arrange the things around it. It's usually used in amphitheaters, how we arrange our seats, right? It will be circulating around that stage, okay? So that is focal, and it is balanced centrally. Then we have hierarchy. Hierarchy is giving importance to certain things. For example, in my room, what is huge, like that first catches my eye, right? More than hierarchy, we use emphasis here. It is giving importance by making certain thing very visually appealing, like I have given here in the right side where my headline is very high, right? So certain poster is very big. Suddenly I enter the room, my eye will fall on that particular thing. So that's how hierarchy works. Then contrast is something like where you where you use your dresses, right? You wear a you wear a light cream pant, and you wear a dark black or gray sort of shirt on that, so you balance it with the contrast. So that's the same thing happens in the interior design. So you have a light color or a grayish background, and you have suddenly pop up a sofa of very different color, or you have a very simple design, minimalistic design, and something in that minimalistic design is suddenly very highly decorative piece. So that becomes that becomes contrast in it, okay? But at the end of the day, it has to show as one piece, one element in that room, okay? That is the major importance of an interior designer. So that's why whenever you are choosing the things, you need, if you know these things, you understand, so how exactly do I need to decorate the room, okay? Then you have emphasis. So what you want to give highest importance in your room. For example, in my bedroom, if I want to give importance to my backdrop, I'll make it a very huge one. Where is your eye going first in all these three images? In the first one, which is tilted in the direction, right? So if all the chairs are in certain way, and I keep one chair in a different way, you understand this is higher importance in, this has a higher importance in that. Or as I said, everything in the room is in one color, and suddenly something is very different colored thing. So your eye will first catch that thing. Or you can give this emphasis by giving lighting effects. You can give this emphasis by making it a different color lighting effect, making it a very huge in scale and proportion, right? So that's how emphasis is used in interior design. Then scale and proportion becomes really important. Scale and proportion is you relating scale of the room to the scale of your furniture. For example, if I have a 9 feet by 9 feet very tiny room, and if I keep a king size bed in it, I won't be having the space for other things to keep, right? So I need to understand, I need to choose I would better go for a very smaller bed, like a queen size bed, not even queen, I would go for a double bed, right? So you know how different bed positions, bed sizes and all, and their nomenclatures, right? If you don't know, let me know in the comment section. I will make a video particularly on that. So king size bed is very huge. It's like 6 by 7 or 6 by 6.5 sort of thing. So these bed in a very tiny room becomes very congested. So you have to understand how is the scale is working, how it is proportionate to the room I am keeping the things. What should be the size of my poster on the wall, or what should be the size of my sofa in the particular room. So these things really matter, and they define your design, right? Then you have repetition. Repetition is repeating certain design elements, like here the wave sort of thing is repeating in both the views, and here pentagon is repeating in a certain way, and the same repetition when follows a pattern is called as rhythm in design, okay? But these are the principles of design you need to keep in mind while designing. And if you have any doubt regarding this, please let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel, guys. You don't want to increase your number of classes per week, then subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with your friends. Whoever is interested in learning, they get this resource, right? So please do that. Thank you.